Today we'll learn when to use over and when to use above. Part 1, meaning and uses. Over, movement or covering. We use over when something moves from one side to another. Example, the bird flew over the house. Cover something. Example, he put a blanket over the baby. Is directly above and close. Example, the lamp is hanging over the table. Above, eye level, not touching, no movement. We use above when something is higher than something, but not necessarily directly above. Example, the clock is above the door. It is higher but not exactly on top. Used for measurement or level. Example, the temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius. Its marks are above average. No movement. Example, birds are flying above us. They are at a higher level, not crossing over. Part 2, easy difference explanation. Over, movement or covering or directly on top. Above, higher level, no touching, no movement. A quick trick, if it is moving, use over. If it is just higher, use above. Choose over or above. The plane flew blank the house. The answer is over. The clock is blank the door. Above. The clock is above the door. She put a blanket blank the baby. Over. She put a blanket over the baby. The fan is blank my head. The fan is above my head. The birds were flying blank the trees. Birds were flying above the trees. Number 6. He jumped blank the fence. Over. He jumped over the fence. Number 7. The clouds moved blank the city. Over. The clouds moved over the city. 8. The picture hangs blank the sofa. Number 9. He held an umbrella blank R. Over. He held an umbrella over her. Number 10. The bridge is built blank the river. Over. The bridge is built over the river. Number 11. The temperature is dash 30 degrees Celsius. The temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius. 12. A lamb is hanging blank the table. Over. A lamb is hanging over the table. 13. His marks are blank average. Above average. His marks are above average. Number 14. She spread a cloth blank the table. She spread a cloth over the table. Last one, number 15. The sun shining blank us. The sun was shining above us.